If you're considering entering the world of stock investing, it's natural to feel a bit hesitant, especially with all the news about market crashes and losses. However, the reality is that the stock market can be a great opportunity to build wealth over the long term if you approach it the right way. In this video from Glimpse Pro, we'll provide you with a simple and straightforward guide on how to start safely, helping you avoid common pitfalls and invest wisely. Understanding the basics of the stock market. Before buying your first stock, you need to understand how the market works. Simply put, the stock market is a place where shares of companies are bought and sold. Each stock represents a portion of a company's ownership. Stock prices rise when a company performs well and generate profits, and they fall when the company struggles. Defining your investment goals. Are you looking for long-term investments to build wealth, or are you aiming for quick profits through trading? Your investment strategy will determine how you approach stocks. If you're a beginner, it's best to focus on long-term investing as it carries lower risk compared to day trading. Choosing a reliable broker. To buy stocks, you'll need to open an investment account with a brokerage firm. Make sure to choose a trustworthy platform that offers reasonable fees and useful analytical tools to help you make informed decisions. Some great options for beginners include eToro, Interactive Brokers, and TD Ameritrade. Diversifying your portfolio. A golden rule in investing. Never put all your eggs in one basket. In other words, don't invest all your money in a single stock. Instead, spread your investments across different companies and sectors such as technology, healthcare, and energy. This way, you minimize risk and protect yourself from significant losses. Continuous learning and avoiding emotional decisions. Financial markets are volatile, and emotional decisions can be very costly. That's why you should invest in learning, stay updated with financial news, and study fundamental and technical analysis. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Starting small and scaling gradually. You don't need thousands of dollars to start investing. You can begin with a small amount and gradually increase your investments. Some platforms offer fractional shares, allowing you to own a portion of major companies like Apple or Amazon with a small investment. Having an exit strategy before you invest. Decide when you will sell your stock, whether it's after reaching a certain profit percentage or if the stock drops to a specific level. Having an exit strategy will protect you from random losses. Conclusion: the stock market can be a great way to build wealth, but success requires patience, knowledge, and a clear strategy. Take well-planned steps, and remember that smart investing is based on informed decisions, not emotions. Don't forget to support us by subscribing,